Now that we've finished drawing our part, we need to get this information onto a drawing to share with other people. So we're going to press New, and then if you remember back in the getting started video, I said that we have our own template for a drawing. So just click on the Oaklands folder, and then we can open up the Oaklands template. Click OK, and here we have an A3 piece of paper ready to start our drawing. The first thing we need to do is bring in a base view. Now, as we have a drawing already, already open underneath, we press base view, it will automatically pick that base view. I might just move this out of the way. And what we want now is the view which has the most information. So we just go through. That's not a lot there. I think it's going to be that one. We'll just have a look at the others. So we want this one here, and we're just going to put it down here somewhere. Once we've done that, it's automatically going to ask us for some projected views. So we're going to put one out to the side, which is the right hand view, one out from the top, and then we're just going to go over into the top right hand corner for an isometric view. Once we've got our 3 additional views, we can right click and press create. Now in the browser we've got view 1 and 4, well underneath there is 2 and 3, which is the right hand view and the top view, and this view over here is separate. These 3 are all linked, hence the reason they're called projected. And at the moment we can see the outside and the hidden detail. It makes this one a little bit messy, you can't really see what's going on, so I'm just going to delete this view. And what I'm actually going to put through is a section view. It's a view as if we'd chopped halfway through the part. So we're going to click section. It's asking us down here to pick a view that we want to section. It's this one. Now we find that midpoint, just come up a little bit and then go straight through the part, left click again, right click, continue, and then we can put that view down. Right, now we've got all our views, we just need to tidy them up a bit. Because we've got this section view to see what's going on in the middle, I think we can turn off all these hidden details because we can see it all here. So we're going to right click on our base view, edit view, and just turn off hidden detail. Click OK. The other thing I like to do is I like just to go to the ISO view, turn on shading. It just colours it in a bit, just makes it a bit easier for people to see what it is. Okay, so we've sorted the views out now, they're as we want, we're ready to start putting some sizes on. But before we do that, all these holes need a centre line. So the first of all, we're going to press this one here called centre mark. We're going to click on that one there. This one here, because we've got 2 or 3 circles all together, we pick on the biggest one, and that's good for that. The next one we're going to do is this one down here. It's 2 clicks and a right click create, and again over here. So now all of our holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, all have a centre line in. So just for the order once again, views, then centre lines. Now we're ready to start dimensioning. We should always start with the biggest dimensions, what we call the overall dimensions, the length, width and height. That's what we're going to start off with here. Okay, so we can click click and come over here. These arrows are the automatic dimensions, so we would leave them alone. We're just going to untick this just so it doesn't come up every time we put the dimension on. And then we're just going to go around the part, try and align these up just so it looks nice. So we put our overall dimensions in. Then we can just start working our way down through the dimensions until everything is fully dimensioned. Okay, so I think that's all the sizes done for the main bits. We'll just work through some of the more specialist type things now, things like holes and chamfers. Let's do chamfer first. Click on the angle and then a straight edge. So that's that one done. We've got another one, this fillet here, which we can use with the normal one. When you're dimensioning fillets, make sure that you don't pick any of the dots, you just get it on the red line. And at this stage I'm not too worried about how it looks, just to make sure that we've got all the dimensions. So I'm going through and checking, and what we're missing is just how far that hole is away from the back. So put that one in there, and I think we'll find that's it. So again we press save. We're going to call it bracket, the same as the part. Okay, so now you can see it's come up here, and some of the information that we put in earlier has come through to the drawing. So if you didn't change your username and it says first name dot last name, or if it says part 2, it's because you weren't saving it properly. That's it, we're done.